Hello, this is your channel, Sosanasa 1 in English. I'm the electromechanical engineer Emmanuel, and now we're going to start a new video. Now I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter to test this capacitor. This in my hand is a capacitor. In this case, I need to know if this capacitor is working correctly or not. For know this, now we are going to use this digital multimeter. The first step is watch the capacitor. In this case, if we watch and read the information on the capacitor, we are watching here 10 microfarads, more or less 5%. This is the mistake percent. This is the voltage, 370 volts, altered current. And this is the frequency, 50-60 Hertz. The important information here is this, 10 microfarads. If we watch this symbol, microfarads, this is the part that we need to search on the digital multimeter. Now, take the digital multimeter and search that symbol. In this case, this is the symbol, 2 microfarads. And now, search on the digital multimeter a higher number than 10 microfarads. If we read here 2 microfarads and this is 200 microfarads. This means in this case we must choose 200 microfarads because it's higher than 10 microfarads. For choose this lever inside this mode, move the selector. And now change the connection of the test probe. In this case, the black is okay here, but we need to change the red and introduce here. The reason is this CX. This means capacitor test. For test capacitor, we need to connect the test probe in this way. Now our digital multimeter is ready. Now if we watch or read here on the digital multimeter screen 200, this is the higher level that can measure this digital multimeter inside this mode for measure capacitor. Now our digital multimeter is ready to test this capacitor. Take the test probe and take the capacitor and discharge the capacitor first. In this way. This is very easy. Touch. Now it's safe touch this part with my fingers. Ready. And now connect the digital multimeter through this test probe to the capacitor to measure the capacitor. Touch and watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we are watching on the digital multimeter screen 10.7 microfarads. This number is very close, is very near of this 10 microfarads. And it's normal that the number on the digital multimeter screen is more or less the same that we read on the capacitor, because here we are watching a mistake percent. How this number on the digital multimeter screen is very near of the number that we did read on the capacitor, this means this capacitor is working correctly, it's good. We can change the connection here. For example, we don't have polarity here. This means I can change this in this way. And touch again, and always the number on the digital multimeter screen will be positive. Because in the capacitor, we don't have polarity. This means we don't have a positive or negative. This means this capacitor is working correctly, it's good. And in this way, you can test a capacitor like this using a digital multimeter like this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel and share this video. Give me a like and see you next time. Subscribe to our channel SOSA NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.